IELTS examination. The full form of IELTS is International English Language Testing System. The exam is basically an English proficiency test for the one who is either willing to study abroad or wants to get permanent residency in an English-speaking nation. This test consists of 4 modules: listening, reading, writing, and speaking. On the day of the main examination, listening, reading, and writing are conducted back-to-back, and speaking is scheduled separately. For speaking, the candidate is asked to take the test between 3 to 4 days before the examination or between 3 to 4 days after the examination. Hence, EEC provides intensive practice for all the modules. To begin with listening, in listening, there are 4 modules and 40 questions. Listening is of 30 minutes, in which a candidate needs to listen to the audio, and after that 10 minutes extra will be provided to transfer the answers to an answer sheet. This test checks the ability whether the candidate can listen and understand native English speakers or not. Thus, the recordings of these modules are of the people who are in an English-speaking nations. To facilitate the students, EEC has an excellent books for listening, which provides the in-depth of listening along with the native English speakers recordings. Even EEC has provided list of question types and the explanation of all the question types in listening. Being a mentor, EEC gives all the tips and tricks to be followed, and as a result, EEC has changed more than 20,000 students till date. Discussing about reading, the comprehensive module has 40 questions to be answered over 3 passages in 60 minutes. These passages have 900 words each. The difficulty level is raised up passage by passage. Being a non-native speaker, language trouble is always a debatable topic. Yet, EEC has a solution of this by providing skill batches to our students. The most challenging module in the exam is writing. Writing consists of 2 tasks to be written in 60 minutes. Task 1 is a report writing for them who are willing to migrate for study purpose, and task 1 is a letter writing for them who are willing to apply for immigration. The first task is to be written in 20 minutes with the word limit of minimum 150. Task 2 is essay writing for both academic people or general training candidates. In this, 250 plus words are asked to write in 40 minutes. EEC has specially focused on this module by providing list of options to improve writing abilities. EEC has spatial writing skills batches along with workshops for learners to learn the module from grassroots level till the advanced level. The last module, which is scheduled separately, is speaking. This is a face-to-face module and it is of 11 to 14 minutes. In this module, candidate is asked questions in 3 parts. Part 1 is known as interview plus introduction, which lasts for 4 to 5 minutes. In this part, a candidate is asked questions about themselves, and the second part is known as individuals long term. The duration of the part is of 3 to 4 minutes. In this part, a candidate is offered a card which is known as a topic card. In this card, 4 to 5 questions are listed. Candidate has a 1 minute time to think and to prepare. Candidate is offered to have a piece of paper and pencil from the examination site. And afterwards, the candidate is asked to speak on the card for 1 to 2 minutes. After finishing second part, the final part begins, which lasts for 4 to 5 minutes. This part is known as a discussion round. In this part, a candidate is asked to answer some general questions on the topic of the second part, of course. So candidate is asked the questions from the second part, and the question type would be general. Speaking is a productive skills and it takes time to improve. Hence, EEC thought over and came up with an excellent remedy, which is a tutor desk help. The candidate can start practicing tutor desk help from day 1 of a valid EEC membership.